Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Trello tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change the board background in Trello. This is actually quite simple. First I open Trello and go to the board where I want to change the background. Now I click on the three dots at the top right and here I find the item Change Background. If I want to use my own image as the background, I can upload it here using the plus button. Trello itself already offers us a large selection of colors and photos. So let's use a photo from Trello. I click on Photos and select one that matches our theme. As soon as I click on it, the background is changed directly both here on the board and in the preview. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.